Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I won a drone from Radiolink. I entered the contest on, I believe it was YouTube. So go to their link on YouTube. It's Radiolink, and I'll put the link down below so you guys can go check them out and go subscribe to them and check out all their stuff. But yeah, I was the lucky winner of the Radiolink. What's this little thing right here? Sorry, that's my dog going crazy. Just a little pocket up front. Pretty cool. Let's see, what do we got here? The strap to carry it around your shoulder if you want. Looks like a couple charge cords. Let's see. And this is the F121. I think they have a Pro version, but this is not the Pro. This is pretty nice. So you got a nice little detail instruction book. And it does have a little webcam in it, or not a webcam, but like a camera, so you can do the, you can fly with the monitor and all that. What is it, FPV, I think it is, what it's called. Yeah, cool. So, there's something about the monitor. Frequency group selection. So there's that. Looks like this might be, I don't know what this is, a little light maybe. A spring there. Two-faced double-sided tape. Extra blades for the propeller. Little screwdriver, and this looks like some sort of little tool or a little bracket or something. Oh, look at that. Nice little monitor it comes with. Looks like it will clip on, and it looks like maybe an antenna goes on that. So, sorry about that. I was interrupted. So yeah, look at this nice little monitor. Got a little pilot school. So we'll have to check that out. Looks like the holder for it, right? Looks like the holder will go right on that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Antenna is down here. That'll go up top here. Looks like. It does bend. That's kind of cool too. That looks like a little shell or something to put on there. A couple parts and pieces. If you want to paint it white or paint it a different color, you probably paint it like, you know, any color you want instead of the Radiolink one. Right. Look at that little thing. Little antenna wire sticking out of it. All right, so check this out. This thing's pretty cool. You got, looks like probably for the video, and then you got the antenna to fly it, and then probably plug in the battery. And then it looks like you might have a light plug or something here, is what that other piece is for. See if we can get you in here and see that. That's what that's for. I've never flown a drone before, so this is gonna be our first one. And this thing's tiny, but I wonder how fast it is, you know. So that's pretty cool. Looks like maybe the battery slides in down here. Let's see what we got down here. Looks like it looks like the batteries are right there. Let's pull this out. Pull out a battery. Yeah. So it comes with 2 batteries. That's cool. And probably, yeah, this just charges it. It's a USB charger, so cool. And this must charge, I bet you I'm definitely going to be putting these on my first couple times. Hopefully these will save the propellers, their guards. I think they go on like that, or no, like this. So it protects the guards if it crashes into the walls or something. Because this is, I believe, an indoor one, outdoor kind of thing. If it's really calm outside, you know. I imagine the wind's just going to pick this thing up and take it where it wants to. And here's the controller. Just a little joystick controller. Couple buttons. There's a 3-channel right there. Boom, boom. Channel 8. Channel 9. This one rotates. This one spins. We'll have to read the book and see what does what. I'm sure one of them makes it fly straight and all that. And we'll have to see what each one does. But yeah, you got your little thing that goes right in here. Right, and then you can see where you're flying. So that's pretty cool. These things look like they come out and go into the side here. That way you can see where you're flying. You look like maybe a power button there. And this little clip comes off if you want to take it off. Because you can put this is supposed to go into like a set of goggles too. So I think that's what the professional one is. It has the goggles with it. This one doesn't have the goggles. So that's pretty neat though. We'll have to Alright. Got the power button here. Oh, this probably charges this up is what it does. Oh yeah. Okay, you got the charger right here. See how it's not communicating? You guys see that? Oh, there I am. What's up, guys? How you doing? How you doing, guys? That's pretty cool. That's actually really clear. Yeah, we're gonna have to mess with that. So that's awesome, guys. So big shout out to RadioLink for this, guys. This is cool. We're gonna have to play with this a little bit around here and see how it works. All right. So there you go. I'm gonna try to do a little video in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film that stuff, guys. So I'm gonna cut it here, and if I can slice in a little bit of this thing flying around in my garage, I'll try that. I can't fly it in my house. If my dogs get a hold of it, they'll eat it. So yeah, we'll put the little bumpers on there and we'll try to get it up in the air here in the garage, and I'll try to film it. Don't know how it's gonna come out in here though. So, but that's pretty cool. You guys I'll have to read the directions on how to start it and all that kind of stuff. I know you're gonna fold it up and do all that kind of stuff. So that's awesome. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, And you all have a good day. There you go, guys. I'm flying her. My little drone from Radiolink. Just thought I would give you a little it's a pretty cool setup, little fun thing to do. Flies good, guys, not bad.